Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome back to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our winter Walmart beauty box, okay? For those of you who are not familiar with the Walmart beauty box, I will leave all the information down below so that you can check it out. And in that way, if you would like to try it out for yourself, trust me, it's definitely worth the coins that you're going to spend on it. Now, it is not one of those where they give you all full-size products. No, this one is kind of like some of our smaller bags where it's deluxe samples and sample sizes of items that you can get at Walmart. Okay, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, now the version that I have based on the box is version number 2. So let's just see what's in this one. All right, now this one does come with a description card, and this one is the winter edit, and it said self-care seasons here. Once that chill starts to set in, it's time to give yourself some extra TLC. Keep glowing all winter long with must-have skin, hair, and nail picks, okay? Shop these favorites at, of course, Walmart or walmart.com, okay? It does give us what could potentially be in your box, okay? And this way, they don't have to print out more than one description card. So, let's go. Oh my. Well, let me tell you something else. This one has a nice array of full-size products. All right, so let's just start at the beginning. So, the first item that I have is this one right here. And this is Kristens Hair Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream. Okay, now it says that this one, of course, is a sample size and it's for all hair types, and it calms frizz, it's shine restoring and softening and smoothing, and yet a time saver. Now this one is a 0.9 fluid ounce size, and it has a 12-month shelf life. Okay, so let me just show it to you again right here. And if you were to purchase the full-size product, which is 5 ounces, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $10.98. That's not bad for a hair product. Weightless Shine Air Dry Cream. Okay, well, that is a product number 1. Then the next one that we have, oh, this kind of goes along with something that we received in our, I believe it was in our BoxyCharm box. But nonetheless, our second item is by ReLOVE, which is a Revolution product. You see that right there on the top? See? And this one is the Revolution Slick Flick Liquid Black Eyeliner. Okay? So this is the way that goes. And this one is a 0.02 ounce size. It is in the shade black. And it has a 12-month shelf life and is a cruelty-free and vegan product. Now it says it's the perfect flick eyeliner. Create your dream flick, super black pigment, pigment, and it says that it is ultra slick. All right, we're going to take their word for it. Now let's get this open so we can have a look. Now, of course, this is the outer packaging. Okay, But this is what the inside packaging looks like. All right. Now, y'all know I'm having a little bit of a challenge here as to whether or not to open it. Okay. Because it does have a 12-month shelf life, but I really don't like to open them until it's time to use them because I really don't want it to dry out. But I do want to show you what the tip looks like. Can you see that right there? So I don't know. I will let you know when we're going to use it so that you can see how this works out for us. Now, the manufacturer suggested retail size for a full-size product, which is what this is $2.98. Okay, this is our first full-size product in here. Okay. Okay, so let's move right along. And the next item that we have, wow, it's actually not on here. But it does say here that there are times when we can receive some surprise items. Now, I'm wondering if that has anything to do with my original questionnaire. Okay, but we'll talk about that in the end. But the next item that we have is by Wet n Wild, and this one is the Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. Okay, and it's called I'm So Hot. All right, and it's this one right here. Can you see that shade right through the package? Okay, this one is also a full-size product, which is 0.07 ounces. And this one is a vegan product, but the only thing I do not see is the shelf life. But I will go online and I'll check it out, as well as getting a price for you, okay? So, and on the front, it does say that it's a cruelty-free product as well. Okay, now I know I'm not going to open this because I must have about 12 highlighters, maybe 2 or 3 of them are, actually I have a couple more, but that are loose, okay, loose pigmented. So I really don't want to open this one. It's probably going to go into a giveaway or as a gift to someone else, okay, because come on, I'm not gonna waste it, you know, like that. I would love to share and share alike. Okay, now the next item that we have is by Luminex Bright. Okay, and it's this one right here, and this one is a pen dual action stain repellent plus whitening. Okay, this is very interesting. And this one is a tooth whitening pen. Okay, now let's see what kind of information is here. This one says, hi there. You're holding the Bright 2 pen in your hands. This is whitening that really cares about the integrity of your teeth. The Luminex, pronounced Luminu. Oh, okay. Luminu Bright pen does more than just whiten teeth. It also helps protect them against future stains using purposeful and uncompromising ingredients for results that go above and beyond. Above and beyond, yes. Oral care and moral care, all right? Now it says this is enamel safe, dentist formulated, and clinically proven. All right, it says do not eat or drink for 30 minutes after use. If you experience tooth or gum irritation, stop using this product. Okay, so of course I'm going to open it so we can check it out. It's beautiful packaging. Now this is what the outside packaging looks like, and this is what the inside packaging looks like. Kind of reminds us of a certain jewelry store. Okay, now let's see. If you have an allergy to coconut, this is not a product for you because that is one of the main ingredients, as well as citrus, lemon peel oil. Okay, so if you are allergic to either of those, this one is not a product that you would like to get. Okay, so how about that? Now, let me tell you this. The price of this full-size product right here is almost 3 times the price of this box. Almost 3 times. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this full-size product is $19.98. Okay, almost 3 times the price of this box. Okay, so how about that? And we're still holding one more product. Okay, and that one is this right here. This is by the company Soap and Glory, and this is the Righteous Butter Body Lotion. Okay, and this one is a 1.69 fluid ounce size. And if this were the full size, it would be $10.98. Okay, now this one says it is a nourishing body lotion, and it is the original pink. It has a 18-month shelf life, and now it does not tell me if this is a cruelty-free product or not, okay? But I'm rather excited right now for the products that we have, okay? Now, let's just see. It smells nice. It's not strong or overpowering. It does have a rather nice smell to it, okay? So this is the last product that was in this box. Now, let me just ask you a question. The items that were in here, nice variety of products, or nice assortment of products, okay? Now, we have a hair product, we have a skin product, we have a teeth whitening product, we have an eyeliner, a super slick flick eyeliner, and we also have a loose highlighter. Okay, so what do you think? Tell me what you are thinking. We received 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And the cost of these products here, even if we just do the full-size products, which would be these 3 right here, these 3 right here total more than 3 times the price of this box. So I say that to ask you this question. Do you think this box is worth it? If you're not sure what I'm talking about as far as the price goes, first of all, you do not pay for the products. All you pay for is the shipping, okay? And that's $7, $6.99 is what you pay for the Walmart Beauty Box. So, do you think that it is worth what we spent? It is a quarterly box, and it's, now, when we talked about this particular product earlier, what I wanted to say to you is you fill out a survey in the beginning or a questionnaire of items that you like. So for the most part, the items that you receive are based on the selections that you made when you sign up for this box. So you will get items each month, well, each quarter, that kind of coincide with what you fill out in your questionnaire and or survey. Okay, so what do you think? Let me know down below if this is something you would consider getting. Okay, now I just want to let you know I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Walmart beauty box for the winter season. Okay, now as I stated earlier, we have unboxed version number 2. Okay, and these are the items that were enclosed, and should you decide to purchase these items at the full size price, this is what that price would be. Okay, now make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a message down below. Let me know how you really feel about it, okay? Now, don't forget to share it with somebody who you think may get full benefit out of a Walmart beauty bag or box, okay? Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.